Sahod at employment rate ng mga immigrant kumpara sa mga citizen mas mababa raw, ayon sa ulat ng Statistics Canada. Ang detalye sa report ni Teresa Radula.
Mas mataas daw ang sweldo at employment rate ng mga immigrants na natanggap na ang kanilang Canadian citizenship bago ang taong 2023, kumpara sa mga migrante na hindi pa nagiging citizen. Ayon ito sa report na inilabas ng Statistics Canada Miyerkules.
Immigrants who become Canadian citizens they earned 31%, like more than immigrants who didn't become Canadian citizens. 5 years after immigration, but also naturalized immigrants have much higher employment rate. It's about 12 percentage points higher, both 5 years after migration and 10 years migration.
Naging basehan daw sa pag-aaral na ito ang mga immigrants na dumating sa Canada mula noong 2003 hanggang 2012 at nasa edad 25 hanggang 54 years old. Dagdag ng ahensya, bukod sa mas ramdam ang tinatawag na sense of belonging, karaniwang nakukuha rin ng immigrants na citizen na sa bagong bansa ang mas mabuting legal status, mas pinalawak na mga karapatan at mas malaking political at civic engagement.
The advantage of naturalized immigrants actually started very early, like almost right after they obtained their permanent resident status, and that gap continues many years after admission.
Ang datos hindi na raw ikinagulat ng Migrants Resource Center Canada o MRCC.
They tell us all the time how difficult it is to find work and the unstable job market and the lack of decent jobs that are available to people who are not Canadian citizens.
Pero ani Santiago, mayroon ding mga naturalized immigrants na dinaranas pa rin ang mapaghamong kalidad ng employment.
Example is our Canadian citizen kababayan who who are working in factories and do not get paid sick days, have unfair scheduling, they don't have adequate health and dental benefits. So, I think the question there is what are the quality of the jobs that are available.
Inilabas din ng Statistics Canada ang isa pang report na nakitang mayroon anilang significant decline ang citizenship rate ng Canada sa mga recent immigrants nito. Ang itinuturong dahilan ng researcher, ang mga pabago-bagong immigration policies ng Canada. Malaki rin ang ibinaba ng citizenship rate sa mga bagong immigrants o permanent residents noong 2021 na nasa 45.7% lamang kumpara sa 75.4% noong 1996.
The decline in citizenship was concentrated among immigrants with poor language abilities, with lower level of education, and also with lower family incomes.
Ang datos ng research gagamitin para masilip ang kinabukasan ng immigration sa Canada. Panawagan naman ng MRCC, mas mabuting kalidad ng trabaho para sa lahat.
So that means permanent, stable jobs, health benefits, fair scheduling, and the ability to organize collectively so that workers can demand better conditions for themselves.
Teresa Radula, Omni News, Toronto.